Hello everyone, welcome you all to the 𝐎achieversaddaugcnet platform. Myself Dr. Vadnala Shivlingam, who will be teaching for the UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 Commerce and Management in this 𝐎achieversaddaugcnet platform. Sir, if you are first time in this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and join in our Telegram group. So UGC NET June 2026. From 22nd of June, exams are going to start for 8 days till the 30 June 2026. How to utilize this 50 days effectively to make a proper study plan and effectively to crack the UGC NET examination, this time with a JRF. So just watch this video for a 10 minutes or a 8 minutes so that you will be able to understand how the study plan which is prepared. Even if you are self-study person also, you can able to adopt easily, right? So let us start without late here. So self-study 50 days study plan has been taken. So those who did not download 𝐎achieversaddaugcnet application, please do download or log into our website also from the Google Play Store, or the link is available in the description. Guys, first of all, one thing to understand, in paper 1 we are having 10 units, and in paper 2 I am taking commerce and management. You can take any other subject according to your own paper 2 subject. Total 10 units will be there. In this I will divide into two parts. 7 units which are theoretical in nature and practical, which are daily practice required for 3 units. Daily practice required for 3 units. What are the 3 units? Number 1, reading comprehension, unit number 3, and unit number 5, mathematical aptitude and reasoning. Unit number 7, which is data interpretation. Every day, take any one DA of the previous year recent, daily 15 minutes. In any time during the day, daily 15 minutes you do the data interpretation, right? Daily at 20 minutes that you can give it to solving 20 previous year questions of mathematics, and daily 15 minutes you can give for solving the reading comprehension. This way, on a daily practice, these 3 units will be covered easily in the 50 days. If you can spend 15 minutes like on a part wise basis, and we have to complete the remaining 7 units only. For that, the plan, remaining 7 units and paper to 10 units, how to complete. Look at, sir, here 2 months perfect plan I have provided. If you are a self-study person, you can adopt to yourself also. Here paper 1, general paper, keep daily 2.5 to 3 hours if you can spend daily basis. In this crash course, the crash course which we have recently started in a recently launched, the recorded course only, it has launched in 𝐎achieversaddaugcnet platform. If you take this crash course, here you can see, I will show you. This is 𝐎achieversaddaugcnet website. If you can go to the courses, you can find UGC NET course. In that crash course will be there. And let's see the paper 1. Paper 1 here, unit wise revision classes and PDF is there. Suppose say first one, we are starting with a research aptitude. How many classes are there? In total, 3 hours or 4 hours with a revision with the charts proper. In 2 classes itself, everything got covered in 3 hours. Total revision with a chart wise presentation. I will show you the PDF also how it look like. Complete coverage of research aptitude subject in a proper way with a chart wise presentation, tabular format. All the points will get covered here in a simplest sense. Easy material for easy reference, and your completion of all the topics also will be there. Like this for all the units same. So now first, if we take a research aptitude, first day 1, listen to the class 1, day 2, listen to the class 2. The revision is completed for that research aptitude. Then what you have to do, day 3 and day 4 and day 5. Every unit 5 days we are dedicating. 5 days, 1 unit is the target for revision. But first 2 days for theory revision and remaining 3 days for PYQ revision. So how to do that PYQ? Here you come back to the folder here in the home in the same course. Unit wise PYQs are there. Go to the research aptitude. 2024 PYQs on day 1, which is day 3. 2024 December PYQs on day 4, and June and December 2025 PYQs. December will get added here. So June and December in day 3. Like that 3 days you can able to cover 2024 June PYQ is first, December 24 and June and December 25 in day number 3. Like this, 5 days, 1 unit will be completed. Theory revision, PYQ revision. Theory revision, PYQ revision. Same for all. Next, ICT, communication, logical reasoning, teaching aptitude, higher education, people and environment. So by the 6th June, or most probably even if you do delay somehow more or less in any one day, if you are not able to complete, 10th June or 12th June or 15th June you take it. By that time you will be able to complete the paper 1. Similarly in a paper 2 also here, paper 2 commerce I am taking. 5 days, 1 unit. First 2 days revision. Then remaining 3 days PYQs of that particular unit. Similarly in this course, if you go to that particular paper 1 course, in the courses you can see paper 2 course, crash course paper 2. Paper 2 commerce, view content, click on that, unit wise classes, economics is there first or else marketing is there. In our timetable marketing is given. According to your convenience you can change the topic, sir, that is up to you. Suppose economics 1, economics 2 is there. In 2 classes within almost 3 hours, we completed everything with a chart wise presentation of all the PYQ topics and the theory topics coverage. I will show you the PDF for this also. You can see here detailed version, everything starting from the topic till the end, elasticity, demand forecasting, all the things in a chart wise presented manner it is covered. Like this, same for all the units will be there, statistics, HRM, finance, IBB, marketing and banking, legal aspects, income tax, accounting, all these things are covered. Some lengthy units are having one more session extra, for that you need to manage the timetable accordingly, right? Like a marketing and accounting, one session is extra has been taken to cover the revision. So same way you have to do the previous year questions of that respective. Where we can see same like a paper 1, we can see the paper 2 PYQs also here. Here below that unit wise PYQ. Go to the respective unit, you can find the PYQs of that unit. These are PYQs you can able to cover easily. Within less time you can cover all the previous year questions. PYQ and their PDF. PYQ and their PDF also been provided. All put together, everything theory and PYQs are getting covered for paper 2. You can see business finance, economics, environment, banking, or stats, BMHRM, legal aspects, income tax. And when you complete the paper 1 early, because paper 2 10 units, paper 1 7 units only, then in place of paper 1 schedule you can complete one more unit of paper 2 itself on the 5 days. So that by the 14th or 15th of June, paper 1 and paper 2 entire revision will be completed. Remaining 10 days you can purely dedicate it for your all time revision or by doing a CBT mock test practice or doing a revision CBT mock test. That is also been added in this particular course. So this way you are getting everything under one roof for this 50 days. Within this 50 days, in a smart way, you have to cover everything. That's what we are trying to do it. If you are a self-study person, you can plan in this way to cover the theory and PYQs based on your own sources, and you can do this also. Right? So we brought this course at a lowest fees. Even though in the app it is showing a fees, but by entering this coupon code JRF50, you are going to get a discounted fees. Both paper 1 and paper 2 combo crash course, instead of 4,000, you are going to get it at 2,499. It includes unit wise revision recorded classes and their PDF which I have shown you, and previous year question on unit wise basis and their PDF. CBT test series with explanation also been added, and validity we are giving for 2 months. It is complete English medium. And if you want only paper 1 or only paper 2 commerce or paper 2 management, then instead of 2,600 you can pay only 1,559, 1,559. That is only single paper you can take it. For that also you can apply the same coupon code JRF50. So if you want a paper 1 and computer science previous year question, paper 1 crash course 1559, computer science PYQ course 999. So at a 2559 only you are able to get this entire paper 1 crash course and computer science PYQ course, which is by Praveena madam. Computer science course is being taken by Praveena ma'am, and her demo class also available. You can watch them and you can join. So both together 2599 if you want to join, or if you want to join only for computer science PYQ course, that is 999 only be there. You can join for that accordingly. So follow this 50 days perfect study plan with this recorded crash course. You will definitely feel something different than what you are doing presently, and you will be more confident to give the examination. That will give you the result. That will give you the result for sure. Right? What you need to do? Just download 𝐎𝐵 app, register your details, log into it, go to the UGCnet folder. In that, click on UGCnet 2026 folder. Then go to the crash course folder, click on the course to buy now. There, apply coupon code will come. Apply coupon. So wherever it is asking to apply the coupon, enter JRF50 without space. Then automatically the price will come down to this discounted fee zone. Right, 40% special offer for this 1 week. 1 week only it will be running. After that, the coupon will automatically expire. If you have any doubts or anything, or facing a payment difficulty, please do approach on this WhatsApp number. We will be happy to help you to get registered. Thank you so much. And if any doubts are there, please do comment in the comment section. Do share with your friends and hit a like button. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.